punta na kami ng Universal Studios. Malamig sa Universal Studios. Yan. Ito tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Universal Studios. Thank you. Punta tayo dito mamaya. Remembrance. Maulan. Illumination! Ah, dito na sa Illumination! Ito, live show, 1:30. Isang oras pa? Saan tayo muna? Ay, may Hello Kitty rin dito. Ayun, mas marami pala dito eh. Tingnan nga natin. Sa Hello Kitty, oh. Mas marami pala. Ay, ang dami doon, oh. Wala. Okay, mamaya na tayo dito. Studio tour muna tayo. Balik na lang tayo mamaya. Kung po Panda. O dyan muna tayo manood. Wala, ano lang yan. Kunwari lang. 10 minutes lang waiting.
I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
That's the boat. How about if you guys come as backup? You're serious? This is gonna be great. Meet you inside.
Enjoy ka, Bethany. Next is the Secret Life of Pets. Ride kami doon.
No. Okay, good one, guys. Let me go.
Alright, that was fun. Okay, we're done here. We're gonna go to the next ride.
Pretty cute.
I love them so much already! What do you think?
Let's do it.
Ay, si Dracula na. Okay, next, let's go to the Universal Tour.
You see it? There we go. That's really my name. It is Brian. You know it's a crazy name, right? car. Dude, that experience was brought down on screens that were 40 feet tall, 180 feet wide. It was created by the Academy Award-winning digital effects company, Weta Effects. And Uncle Peter Jackson on that. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, you know what? I think I made a bad judgment call, but at least we're not being attacked by a shark. Oh no, we're being attacked by a shark! Ah! If it keeps on raining, those puddles will get bigger. And if the rain really stops, okay, everybody, hold on to your children and your iPhones too. Whoa! Looks like some of you won't have to take a shower tonight. Yay! So all that water is going to go under the bridge, get pumped up the hill, and held in a tank for the next tram to come by and take pictures of it. That is the most photographed water you'll ever see. I hope you get a picture. And that is also, you'll see some cars from Jurassic Park and Jurassic World, and also some Flintstones cars, some prehistoric cars made of rubber and plaster, also foot-powered, just like the ones in the cartoons. And back on your left-hand side, you'll see some cars from the Fast and Furious franchise. And here at the very end on the left of Transformers, it's Bumblebee. Hey, Bumblebee. Oh, look at that. He's sleeping. We are coming up on Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. See all kinds of things like bicycles and suitcases and furniture and toys. And there's a ceramic fish and decorations. And of course, plane cars. A movie? Way better. We're gonna go be in a Fast and Furious movie. Now you're gonna need your 3D glasses. You don't need them yet. I'll let you know in a minute. I love the enthusiasm though.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn the music off! Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn. Okay, guys, it's showtime.
I got the bull by the horn! I've got company! This is mine, Lenny!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find the drones!
Way to go, man.
Drones lining up the missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Mommy, don't shoot! Help with the bridge! Under construction! Everybody hold on!
Fast and Furious Supercars! Woo!
That's the best. I like it. That's the best one. Oh my God. Gusto mo yan, Bethany?
It's all good. We got food. My hell is that. Appreciate
That's
it.
the best.
They say the beautiful family is strong.
Galing nun ah.
Anytime, are you serious right now? That is awesome. I understand their barbecues are
Paano kaya?
are approaching. Hold the handrail and face forward at all times.
Another escalator. Daming escalator, oh. Tingnan nyo sa likod ko. Ayan, oh. Oh my God. Ayan ang ano, Jurassic World. Okay, let's go. Nakita nyo na? Okay.
Stand right there, little ones. As Optimus Prime sent you to stand before me.
Laki, ano?
Very brave or very foolish, perhaps.
Nintendo. Mauna na kayo. Nintendo. Kaya namin nakaupo sila dyan, oh. Alright, we have to go back again, going up with the escalators. Ang taas nun, ano? Naglalakad sa hagdan. Grabe ang taas nito, oh. Doon pa sa taas, oh. Now, let's go inside to the Harry Potter. Ayan ang magic wand ni Harry Potter. Tingnan natin. That's your wand. Yay! Gonna have magic. Oh, let me see. That's your wand. Check up you. Choo. That was beautiful, ah. Okay, let's go na. Timingan natin, nandito tayo. Okay, tapos na kami sa Harry Potter. Balik naman tayo doon. Saan naman tayo? Kain na. Punta pa tayo doon, tingnan natin. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye-bye for now. See you on our next video. Okay, tara na. Huwag madali kayo. Okay, bye-bye na. See you, bye-bye.